Hey everyone! In today's video, we're comparing Lovable AI and Base44, two powerful AI tools designed to help you build apps and websites faster without heavy coding. If you're confused about which one to choose, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know their key differences, pros and cons, and which tool is best for your needs. Let's get started. What is Lovable AI? Lovable AI is an AI-powered app builder that allows you to create full web applications using simple text prompts. You describe what you want, and Lovable AI generates the UI, backend logic, and database structure automatically. It's especially popular among non-developers, startups, and entrepreneurs who want fast results. Best for no-code and low-code users, MVPs and startup ideas, fast web app creation. What is Base44? Base44 is a developer-focused platform that helps you build scalable, production-ready applications. It gives you more control over your backend, database, and integrations, making it ideal for professional developers and technical teams. Base44 focuses on performance, customization, and long-term scalability. Best for developers and tech teams, complex business applications, long-term scalable projects. Let's break down the main differences. Ease of use. Lovable AI is extremely beginner-friendly. You can build apps just by describing them in text. Base44 has a steeper learning curve and requires technical knowledge. Customization. Lovable AI offers limited customization. Base44 provides deep control over logic, APIs, and infrastructure. Speed. Lovable AI is faster for launching ideas and prototypes. Base44 takes more time but delivers stronger long-term solutions. Target audience. Lovable AI is best for creators and beginners. Base44 is designed for professional developers. Pros and cons of Lovable AI. Pros. Very easy to use. No coding required. Fast app generation. Great for beginners and startups. Cons. Limited advanced customization. Not ideal for complex enterprise apps. Less back-end control. Pros and cons of Base44. Pros. Powerful back-end control. Highly scalable. Better performance. Ideal for complex apps. Cons. Requires technical knowledge. Slower for beginners. More setup time. Final verdict. Both tools are excellent, but for different users. Lovable AI wins in speed and simplicity, while Base44 wins in power and scalability. Your choice depends on your skill level and project goals. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool comparisons and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.